Tesla Incorporated is an American electric vehicle and clean energy company based in Palo Alto, California. The company specializes in electric vehicle manufacturing, battery energy storage from home to grid scale, and, through its acquisition of SolarCity, solar panel and solar roof tile manufacturing. Tesla operates multiple production and assembly plants, such as its main vehicle manufacturing facility at Tesla Factory in Fremont, California, Giga Nevada near Reno, Nevada, Giga New York in Buffalo, New York, and Giga Shanghai in Shanghai, China. As of 2020, Tesla sells Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y cars. Tesla also sells Powerwall, PowerPack, and Megapack batteries, solar panels, solar roof tiles, and some related products. Tesla Motors was founded in July 2003 by engineers Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. The company's name is a tribute to inventor and electrical engineer Nikola Tesla. The next three employees were Ian Wright, Elon Musk, and J.B. Straubel, all of whom are retroactively allowed to call themselves co-founders of the company. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.